Hi, welcome to the journals. While I've just been journaling since 2 months, my journaling folder has filled to the brim, and I do not want this folder to tear apart. So I decided let me just organize and also show you what journaling supplies I have. My mom found this box for me, which will be a box for all my scraps. I haven't decided what to do yet, so let's organize and let me show you some supplies I have. So this is like a really simple folder I bought for the first time, and I lettered journaling girly and my name with a permanent marker. Mostly this section has stickers on it. The paper in the last compartment are folding and I don't want that to happen, even though that doesn't matter, but I would like it to be more organized, and maybe this box can fit in those papers flat. We'll see. Excuse this messy desk, but I think it's a part of my personality now, having scraps and rubbish everywhere. Let's try to sort out these stickers. So let me show you all the stickers I have. These are brand new, pretty cool, transparent stickers. These are journaling kits I got from a flea market, and as you can see, I haven't used them yet. I still suffer from that habit of buying something and not using them, but I promise I will. These two packs are just miscellaneous stickers that I got from a journaling workshop. These labels are something I got a long time ago when I did not know the whole idea of junk journaling, which is why I cannot find much use of them now, but they'll still be with me. These sticker papers are totally random. They are from planners which had free sticker sheets within them, so I just cut them off and kept what I have. This one's from Catnip. She's a great international artist, and these are from a local artist whose journaling workshop I went to. These are pretty cute and I love supporting all small business artists. This I got from the mall thinking that it's stickers, but these are actually paper ephemera. Nevertheless, it's a win-win. I don't know what this crap is doing here, but that's my life now. These are themed stickers. I can't wait to use this one because I am a big fan of the show. It's not like I cannot store papers in here, it's just that it was getting really bulky, and if I have that mental separation where this is only for stickers or just random ephemera and the box is just for scraps, I think it will make my life easier. I've never done this before, so I'm just trying it now. I have a couple of sticker sheets which are a bit too long for the folder, so I might just cut them in size and put these in the folder as well. These clothes stickers are so good. These are actually hand painted by an artist and then converted into stickers. So these kind of stuff you don't really get in generic sticker boxes, so I'm grateful I have them. This sticker sheet I used in this journal spread, which I'm pretty proud of. This journal spread is probably uploaded as a process video on my Instagram, so that's where you can find ASMR and journaling process videos of mine. So stickers are done. Folder looks so much more empty. Now on to the papers. A lot of papers, a lot of scraps. I hope they can fit inside this box. I should have probably gotten a bigger box, but I think for makeshift purposes, these can store the scraps pretty easily. These are all the recycled pattern papers that will be very useful in my future journal spreads. I have been planning since 2018. I still have to go through so many planners which may have so many of these kind of papers, so I think I should make a separate video about it. Let me know. In future, I really want to paint my own backgrounds and make it more personal. You can see there's a circle cut out of it because I'm using it for my Instagram series. Actually, let me show you the book. See, this is where it's from. Nowadays, whenever I get these kind of craft paper packages, I really store them because I can customize them or I can just use them as background paper. As I'm sorting this out, I'm thinking that I would rather have just background and scrap paper here rather than having these random scraps, because I still have some space in my sticker folder, so I think I'm gonna do that. This box is looking good. It only has paper that can be used as background and nothing else. I will be storing the rest of these scraps that I've collected on my folder. Is it less chunkier? No. But is it not gonna break anytime soon? Yup. I'm so glad I could share this moment with you where I organize. I'm so happy with both of these storage spaces for now. I hope to feature these in my future journaling videos, and this is a great documentation for me as well to show that where I started from, what I started from. By the way, I wanted to show you my journal, which is slowly getting chunkier. My recently favorite journal spread is this Doraemon inspired spread. I had this wrapper and a toy, so I just decided to use that scrap into something more fun. I'm glad I could organize my stuff with you, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.